Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top 5 of the best plasma cutters. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the Lotos LTP5000D. The best plasma cutter you can get on the market is this Lotos LTP5000D. It is an excellent plasma cutter that is extra precise and efficient. It comes with an easy-to-read front panel and air pressure gauge. And another usability feature of this LTP5000D is its automatic dual voltage, with which it can automatically switch between voltages without any need to manually adjust it. Now moving on to its performance, it uses high-frequency inverter technology to create the most efficient and rapid cutting performance. It can efficiently cut through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag, while its pilot arc technology will allow you to cut without touching the tip to the metal. Next is PrimeWeld CUT60. This PrimeWeld CUT60P is a user-friendly and versatile unit that is perfect for industrial, construction, and house use. By design, it is built to last and is highly portable to take it wherever. And if needed, you can also quickly and easily attach it to generators and welders. Now moving on to its performance, featuring blowback start technology, 60% duty cycle at 60 amps, and dual voltage 110 volt/220 volts with adapter. This plasma cutter will offer you plenty of elements to make it worthy of a place in your workshop. And in addition to that, also adds a continuous pilot arc, allowing you to cut expanded, rusted, and painted metals. Finally, as an accessory, it includes a PT60 blowback cutting torch, complete with a Euro Central connection, which provides premium control over your projects. This torch is actually specifically designed to produce top quality cuts in stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, aluminum, and many other types of metal materials. Next up, we have Hypertherm 088079. This PowerMax 30XP is a highly portable plasma cutting system that can handle a wide range of applications. Its 2-in-1 design can provide you with high power capability for thick metal cutting and a fine cut consumables for detailed thin metal cutting. It is designed to run on 110 volts or 240 volts power. However, owing to its auto voltage feature, the transfer from 110 volts to 240 volts is easy. And when it comes to its other features, its inclusion of an easy-to-use one-knob interface and superior cut quality offers for less edge preparation, while its rugged 4.5-meter torch lead strain reliefs on both ends provide protection in demanding environments. This means you can cut any kind of metal, stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel, even if it is rusted or painted. Next is Forney EasyWeld 251. This Forney EasyWeld 251 is the best plasma cutter for home use. It is a powerful and easy-to-use plasma cutter that weighs only 21.5 pounds. Featuring a drag torch technology, you can drag the tip directly on the surface of the metal for smooth and precise cuts. And another bonus feature of this machine is that it is generator friendly and can run off a standard 120 volt outlet, making cutting on the go easy and efficient. You can use it to cut mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized steel, brass, and copper up to 1/4 inch, and aluminum up to 3/16 inch. And for offering versatility, it also adds a 13-foot torch lead and a ground clamp with a lead that's 8 feet long. Lastly, we have the PrimeWeld 50A. If you need a portable plasma cutter that makes moving from one project to another a breeze at a price that won't break the bank, this is it. As a 50 amp plasma cutter, it features dual voltage functionality that can work with both 110 volt and 220 volt outlets. And using a high frequency air inverter, it can cut thicker materials than a standard DC plasma cutter in a cleaner, more accurate way. Its entire torch line is shielded to create a minimal fire risk. And in addition to that, this unit is also built to withstand bumps and drops. It's incredibly portable and lightweight, weighing only 22.5 pounds, and featuring an ergonomic handle. You can carry it from industrial to home easy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.